students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our question is, a box contains tokens which are numbered from 1 to 15. A token is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that that token does not bear a prime number. So here we have a box. In that there are tokens which are numbered from 1 to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 15. 15 tokens are there. So we are taking a random token out of it, right? And that token should not be a prime number. So in 1 to 15, how many prime numbers are there? So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, then 11 and then 13. Correct? There are 6 prime numbers between 1 to 15. So total number of prime token is equals to 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now total number of non-prime tokens. So it will be total number of tokens minus prime tokens. Those are non-prime tokens. So total number of tokens are 15, out of which I am subtracting 6 prime tokens. So now we are left with 9 tokens. Probability is favorable outcome. Favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Now if I am putting my hand in this box, I can choose any out of this 15, right? So the total number of outcome that can I have, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any of these tokens. So total number of tokens are 15. So I can choose any one out of those 15, right? So total number of outcomes are 15. Now what is the probability that token is of non-prime? That means that token should be in this 9 tokens, right? So favorable number of cases are 9 and total number of cases are 15. So probability will be equals to 9 by 15. And in 3 table, this is 3 times and this is 5 times, which is equals to 3 by 5 and which is equals to 0.6. This is our answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.